Hey guys, Logan is back with another video, and today I just spent 2,950 Robux. Spent, okay. And I got, look at this money. It's right here. Today we are going to be buying a plane. No, we're not buying a plane, sorry. We're buying a Bugatti. And next video we're going to buy something really, really surprising. So today we're buying a Bugatti. We're going to fully upgrade it. We're going to drive it around. We're going to race it. And this is going to be sick, peeps. Okay, let's go to the supercar dealership, if I can find it. Yes, I found it. Yay, yay, yay. Jesus, this car gets out of control sometimes. But not the Bugatti.
Like
it's
you.
not. What?
I said like you.
But true. I get out of control sometimes.
All the time?
Yeah. So my sister is going to be in the next video. That's why she's talking so much right now. I don't know why. So these Robux that my mom just bought me today, because she just bought them for me.
My mom.
Yes, we did say thanks. Look at this fresh Bugatti. So the Roblox. The Roblox. We just purchased the Bugatti. Now we only have 2 million left. It's okay. We can always get more money because we still have more Robux. Oh yeah, and we also might get insanity mode. And actually, let's just get it now. Store. No, wait, no. Perks. So my sister also wanted us to get the tow truck, so we're gonna get the tow truck right now. Bye. It's only 100. Huh. Hello? No, I don't want to be a tow truck right now. Go away. Should we get insanity? Alexa, should we get insanity?
What's insanity?
It makes you go like super duper duper fast.
Yeah?
Okay, let's get it. We're getting it. My sister just did something weird.
My water bottle's falling.
So let's get this Bugatti out. Let's just see it. I just want to see it. So get out of this freaking car. Let's go here. What? Where's my Bugatti? There it is. I forgot I had to do that. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. I got a Bugatti. Okay, we can't start driving it with a crash. Come on. You know what? I need to buy something on perks. Because I don't want to drive all the way to the thing. There, we got auto pocket. It's where you can...
Stop spending so many Robux. How much Robux do you have left?
I like 1,000.
You spent so much right now. Stop spending so many Robux.
Okay, I'm not. Jeez. So now you can go to the shop whenever you want with this. Explosives horn. Nutra rocket fuel purchase. Got that. Let's go this. Quad turbo purchase. We have so much money, so we can just purchase anything we want. Engine ludicrous purchase. That's pretty much all we have to do. Jeez, this is so fast.
Go race, Logan.
Yeah, we are. But I need to reset my character. Because then we can get the rocket fuel. I always have to reset my character for some reason. It's just weird. It's weird. It's weird. So let's go. Yeah, let's also turn on insanity. Oh, guys, I also want to show you something. I need to go in the truck. It's not, I just need to put on insanity mode. Perks. Insanity on. Okay. My sister just threw something at my face. Alexa, you want me? This truck can climb walls.
Interesting.
Alexa, stop. Or I'm gonna tell Mommy. Mommy is the best. Hey, what do you think you're doing, bro? Oh, guys, should we tow people? Okay, let's tow people. Next video. Actually, this is the video for the Bugatti. Let's get in the Bugatti. No, I don't want this. I want vehicles. Vehicles. Bugatti Veyron. Hey, what do you think you're doing to my Bugatti? This is my Bugatti. Look at this. It has the rocket fuel. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Geez, this is going like 250 miles per hour without the boost. This thing is sick. Let's go inside the races. Yeah. Am I inside a race? Come on, please. Oh, come on. Come on. No one wants to race me. I got my Bugatti though.
He has a Bugatti too?
No, he has a slower car. That's the fastest car in the game.
Oh wow.
It's 12 mil. 12 mil. Hi. Please let me in a race. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please let me in a race.
Oh, it's starting.
Ugh. Am I in a race? Am I? I just want to see if I am. Starting game. Oh, come on!
Get back a little bit.
Hey, stop it. What are you doing? No, I don't need a backup. Stop it. My sister messed it up. Time's fly by. It's already been 7 minutes. Wow. Okay. Oh, this guy has a Bugatti Veyron too. Bugatti versus Bugattis. Bugattis.
Say Bugatti gang.
No,
Bugatti
I'm about to race. I'll try.
Oh, it's starting in 4 seconds. Don't. Logan, starting in.
Dang it. Don't let me. 2 seconds. What? Yes. 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 Guys. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Starting game. Yeah! Go! Yay! Go! Maybe it's because I'm too fast.
Oh.
He beat me!
Is he a Bugatti too?
Yeah.
Oh, rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
Get your speedboat out.
Yeah, I'll just get my speedboat out. No, there's a ladder right there. Yay! 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 Huh, 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 huh. Here. I want to get up here. Ugh. Sheesh, this is taking a long time. Yeah, we did it. Okay, let's get our car out. Bugatti. I used to I remember when I test drive this Bugatti. It was so fun. But now it's more fun. It's the best fun in the world. Hi, Bugatti. I'm gonna leave you. Why is there so many cars here? I'm just gonna... Guys, let's just join a different server. Because I race too much on this server, so it's not giving me money anymore. So, go back on the server. My sister... I don't know what she's doing. She wants to play.
Logan, stop trying to act like I'm younger than you.
I'm not.
You are. Like my sister. I'm nearly 12, by the way. So.
Yeah, she is nearly 12. Hi. Hurry up and load. Nah. Okay. Going back on. Well, I want to do a tow truck. Let's see what that's about. Perks. Tow truck on duty. On duty. I'm on duty. I'm a tow truck. Come on. Where's my tow truck? Is it here? Yeah, my tow truck. My tow truck is here. Hey, no one get excited. This is my tow truck.
Tow people.
I am. First, I need to fully upgrade it. It's not that much money.
Wait, try to upgrade that one.
What?
Why? Not upgrade. Why can't you, like...
Tow people?
Yeah.
Because I didn't upgrade it yet. I didn't upgrade it. Engine, purchase. I don't want to unequal it. I want to do it. Nutrient, what?
Money.
I know.
You're spending so much.
2 million.
Oh.
Cuckoo?
How much is... Oh, we're good.
Yeah. Cuckoo Luku. My sister was, it was just talking to me. She got confused for a second about something. It was about the surprise.
I am in confusion.
Yeah, she is in confusion. I want to tow people. Don't move your car, no. I want to tow you. Oh, no. Ooh, I should tow people. It's easier to tow.
So what happens if you tow people? Like...
I take their car away.
What do you do with it?
You get, if you tow people and you successfully take it to the place, you get 2,000, you get the money that you get to win a race. So you get money by towing people. Give me a car. Give me a car. Let's get the tower. No, stay still. Hold on, this isn't working out. Cannot be used in race. Yeah, I know this car can't be used in races. This guy has no idea. He's letting me tow his car, guys. Oh, he didn't let me. Oh, come on. Stop moving! You're gonna steal my car, aren't you? Cool, you got a tow truck. I'm gonna steal your awesome car.
What kind of car does he have?
McLaren P1. Nice, baby! We can buy it.
Let's not.
Yeah. Hey, what do you think you're... He responded. The car. The car. Tow truck. I don't get why there's red over there. Okay, guys. Well, we're gonna have to end the video soon, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button and the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video for the surprise.